Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm here with this Cocoa Lake Diamond Twist chocolate. So it is in kunafa flavor. This is something new chocolates, I would say, but they have different flavors in it. This one is pistachio, bisco cream and bonello. So these three flavors are there. The quantity is 650 gram and it's a milk chocolate with kunafa paste flavor. So it has three different flavors in it. All the nutritional fact about the product has been mentioned over here. The packaging is very nice. It's a plastic box, amazing, and everything is mentioned. The picture is looking very good. I believe it will be same as whatever they have shown in it. And where is it made? Oh, its country of origin is Jordan. So it's a product of Jordan. It's written store it in a cool and dry place. The packaging is really simple. From here you can see there's a lock. You just need to put it down and it is good to go. From here we can open it like this. There are three different flavors and three colors in it. It is looking really amazing, guys. These kunafa chocolates. So I believe I will be tasting all three. So one by one I have to open them. So here comes the red one. It is like a diamond shape. You can see it like an earring also. It's really soft because I didn't put it in a fridge. I wanted to open it in a really good way. So here comes the kunafa. You can see this is how it looks like. Let me taste it. The crispiness of kunafa, it's really good. Amazing taste. Really good taste. Let me try this green one. Again, the diamond shape, as you can see. So this one is the pistachio, the green one is the pistachio. This is how it is from inside the kunafa. Let me taste it. The soft and crispiness and the pistachio paste, it was really good. The last but not the least, this was in a flavor of bisco cream. So it's a bisco cream one. So this is the proper diamond shape. If you will freeze, you can cut it properly, but I wanted to show from inside. That's why I put it outside. So it's a bisco cream. Let me taste it. Really soft and good. So friends, this is how it is. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. These are really good. You freeze them, it's amazing in taste. Go for it. Bye bye.